Ashley Page is the coolest. Okay.
Where's the is?
Geico.
Yes.
See, there's really no is, cause it says me and my brother. Dude, this is so cool. Look at this. It like bounces. It's like raving, dude. I met a vampire one time. Yep. Almost one website. He was pretty creepy. Except for he wasn't really a vampire. It was just like, you know how you can make those animation things of yourself? He made himself a vampire. That was pretty cool. I love the hiccups, dude.
We can have them.
Okay. I would die for the hiccups. Those are fun, dude. Except for when they hurt.
Mine hurt.
Ah.
You hurt.